Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to see our Spotify password without the application, not in the application of Spotify. And I show you what to do that. And the first step is go to the your Gmail, and here in your page of Gmail you need to go to the superior right corner in the bubble of your profile, and after you pick in that bubble you need to go to Google account. So in Google account you need to go to the option of security. So here in these options you get when you enter you get here, and you need to slide to the right and pick here in security. And after that you need to search the option of management password manager here, and the only thing you need to do to find that password of Spotify is search here in the option of search passwords. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.